Welcome back, my friends, to yet another job lead video. You have been asking in the comments for more positions that provide computer equipment and are willing to train. So that is what we have today. I have two different positions that do not require a degree to get started. They do have paid training and they provide all the computer equipment for you. One thing about looking for positions that provide computer equipment for you, a lot of them are customer service based, and then a lot in the healthcare field because of the security issues around the information that they deal with and the patient information will provide you computer equipment because they need the equipment to be of certain specifications and have certain antivirus programs on there. So that is just one quick thing to note. If you are looking for a work from home position that does provide computer equipment, it is more than likely going to be in the healthcare field or the customer service field, but I will keep my eye out for anything else that does provide computer equipment. So that I don't ramble on too much and keep you forever, we will go ahead and dive in. So the first position is a customer service representative position, and it is with PSCU. Now, this is a credit union that is hiring people to work from home. It says that the pay range starts at $16 an hour with the opportunity of monthly bonuses and up to $1.75 an hour in shift differential opportunity available. Now, I work in the healthcare field and a lot of doctors and nurses get shift differential. And so what that means is if you are working hours and shifts that are not commonly worked, people don't like overnight third shift, they bump your hourly pay up. So maybe daytime people, 8 to 5, people get the $16 an hour. And if you are working 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night, 2 o'clock in the morning, the non-wanted hours, you get an extra $1.75 an hour. So your pay would actually be $17.75 an hour for working those hours. So it does say to start your career at PSCU with opportunities to learn and earn even more. So it looks like they have great career advancement and growth opportunities. So if you're looking for a long-time career, this may be a company you want to get in with and then grow. So their training class starts on June of 2022. So we've got a little bit of time to get your application in, get your computer equipment sent to you in the mail, all that good stuff. Takes a little bit of time and ready for training. This position is 100% remote, and for the working remote requirements, it says that you have to have access to at least 50 MPS download speeds for your home office, so you will have to provide your own internet service, access to a smart device, a phone or tablet. You probably will not be using that for phone calls, but a lot of places that use secure computer equipment require two-factor authentication. So I actually have an app on my personal phone that gives me a temporary one-time use password that gets me into my work computer. So I'm not sure if that's what that's for. And you do need the ability to hardwire connect your internet cord into the computer. And you also must have a valid mailing address so you can receive your equipment because they will mail it to you. They cannot ship computer equipment to a PO box. For the training schedule, it will be Monday through Friday, and it says training will be 5 to 6 weeks, and performance expectations must be met during that time. For production, second shifts with varying schedule types based on availability and business needs, and of course, again, you get up to the $1.75 an hour shift differential. And so it says what you can expect. They are more than just a call center. They like to provide the family-filling atmosphere. So it says culture of belonging and recognition where peers and managers support you personally and professionally. They offer up to 40 hours PTO, 40 hours sick time, and 10 paid holidays prorated by your start date for the year. Overtime potential, tuition reimbursement, emergency childcare support. They offer a standard health, dental, vision 401k package. And so it says the most important thing, what you will be doing. You will tap into your winning personality and passion and help others by assisting customers who call, for help. So Any customer will just call the 800 number to the credit union. They need help with their accounts. Maybe their debit card's been hacked. Maybe they've lost their card. I don't know. All your banking needs, you will help with all of that. So you'll be taking inbound calls from the credit union members. You will not be cold calling, and you'll help resolve any account issues or financial questions that they have. So you need to have great, excellent customer service skills. And so they are looking for somebody who has empathy and resilience in helping with customers, superior customer service skills, and the availability to validate a high school diploma or GED for pre-hire is required for this one position. The other one does not need a degree, and comfortable navigating multiple systems and online applications. So this does not require a college degree, only a high school diploma or GED. And of course, the pay is the $16 an hour, comes out to about $33,280 a year. The next position is, again, customer service for the company Public Storage. Public Storage is one of America's largest employers in 2020 by Forbes magazine, and they were rated a great place to work. As a call center customer service agent, you'll be helping people. You want to be compassionate and listen to them and help address their customer inquiries. It says they have a virtual hiring process with a quick turnaround time. Apply now for an opportunity to become part of their winning team. Now, the company that I work for, we do the hiring process virtually also. And so we normally have webcams turned on and just do almost like a FaceTime call through Zoom or WebEx for the interviews. So that is probably what they are doing here. So a little bit about this job. You'll provide customers with the highest level of service and support. You'll act as a liaison between customers and management. So you need the ability to resolve issues and do extensive research. You'll be answering inbound calls on a daily basis, and you'll also be performing some administrative duties such as customer account and status inquiries. And you will have to make some outbound return phone calls to customers. And so you will also need to attend one-on-one feedback sessions with your manager, team members, and that sorts of thing. So the starting pay for this position is $13 an hour, but they do offer annual increases based on performance. They do offer full-time or flexible schedules, all with full benefits. You get 4 weeks paid training, so they will train you. You get to work in the comfort of your own home, and they do offer 401k and healthcare benefit packages, and you do have the option for growth. As far as qualifications for this, they want 1 year customer service experience, someone who can multitask and type while moving around, strong verbal and written communication skills, and someone who is proficient in Windows-based computer system. And skills in other languages other than English are a plus, but not required. So it says to work from home, you have to have a dedicated, uninterrupted, quiet workspace with high-speed internet. And they do also require a smartphone so that you can use the app for verification like I was talking about. So it says important information to note. They will provide all the necessary equipment, so your laptop, headset, keyboard, mouse for you to work from home. Their contact center operates 7 days a week from 3 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And the initial training period is about 5 weeks in a remote, so a work from home, it's probably over Zoom or WebEx, classroom training. So no degree or education, college or high school, is required for this position. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, I will be back with more job leads as I post fresh job leads daily. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.